Good morning students, welcome back to our English class. Okay, we will learn today chapter 6. Chapter name is use of this and these. Okay, this one use of this, this these. Okay, this one this and this one these. Okay, so previous chapters we have learned already this, that. Okay, so now in these chapters we will learn this and this. Okay, so please students take your English book and take out page number 15. Page number 15. Okay, so in this chapter, this one, as you know, this means and these means also. Okay, so please look once again. Okay, this one this is USED, used for SINGULAR, singular, OBJECT, object, WHICH, which, IS is NEAR, near. This is used for singular object which is near. When we will use this means this always used anything singular and that is near. Okay, this हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? कुछ भी चीज जो कि एक हो, सिंगुलर हो और पास में हो, तो उसके पहले में हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? दिस, THIS, दिस. ओके, और next here THESE, these, IS is USED, used for PLURAL, plural, OBJECTS, objects, WHICH, which, NEAR, near. This is used for plural objects which are near. These, when we will use, means plural means बहुवचन. ओके, सो एक नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारे, जब कुछ भी चीज़ें हमारे पास में है तो हम लोग उसके पहले में क्या लिखेंगे? हम लोग दीज, THESE, दीज. ओके, क्लियर? सो नाउ वी विल see this example. Okay, so please students look properly. Okay, so here first here what is this one? Gosi, or you can say duck also. Okay, batak, no? Yes. So this one, this THIS, this IS is a gosi, means ये एक बतख है ना? One only, so यह एक बतख है. Okay, then in this side how many this one are you looking? One or two? Two. That's why here written THESE, these, ARE, because one, so is we will write, but more that time we will write are. Okay, so these are geese. Okay, so ये क्या है? What is this? Okay, so two only, no? That's why we will write here these. Okay, ये सारे क्या है? बतख है. Understood? Okay, दो. Next one, this is a bus, BUS, bus. So this is a bus. ये एक क्या है? बस है. Only one bus, so that's why we will call bus. This is a bus. Okay. Next here, 1, 2, 3. How many buses here? 3. Okay, 3, no? So that's why here these are buses. One bus, only bus, but more bus we will call buses. Okay, so these are buses, 3. Okay. Next, this is a frog. Frog, FROG. Okay, frog means mendak. So here one only, no? Yes, so this is a frog. यह एक मेंढक है. Here right side, these are frogs. How many? 2. Okay, 2. So we will call frogs because one only frog. But if more, that time we will write S here. So these are frogs. Okay. Now next, this one orange. Orange means you know santara. Okay. So here we will write this is an orange. Why we will here written Y N You don't know, you know, because vowels before what we will write always n. Okay, so this is an orange. ये एक क्या है? Orange है, एक संतरा है. Okay, next one, these are oranges. Okay, ये how many? 1 2 3, 3. So that's why we will write here these are oranges. Okay, here written here. You will write in your copy. Okay, here what written? These are oranges. ये सारे क्या है? Oranges. बहुत सारे orange, 3 orange है. Okay, oranges. Then next one, what is this one? One girl. Okay, so how many girls here? Only one. This is a girl. ये एक लड़की है. And right side 1 2 3 4. So 4 more? No. Yes, not 1. So we will read now. These are girls. ये क्या है? ये सारे लड़कियां हैं. So these are girls. Okay, here S also and here R. Okay, so these are girls. Then next one, this is an owl. Okay, so this one, what is this? This, you know this bird's name? Yes. Okay, so here 1 only and this side 3. 1 2 3. So these are owls, means here more birds. Okay, so in this book, page number 15, already we learn, no? Yes. Now comes one more example I will give. Okay, in this copy I have drawn some pictures and some sentences also. Okay, so please now look these examples. Okay, here also we will learn use of these and these. Okay, so first example, this one balloon. How many balloon? 1. So what we will write here? This is a balloon because only one balloon. Okay, then here right side, how many balloons are you looking? 1 2 3. 3, no? Yes. So these are balloons. What we will write? These are balloons because here 3. Okay, next here, how many duck? This one? Only 1 and this side 2. 1 or 2. Okay, so this one, what we will call? These are duck. No, that is wrong. So we will write here downside, this is a duck. What is this? Is a duck because ये एक क्या है? बतख है. Only 1. Okay, here right side, these are ducks. How many ducks? 2, no? Yes, so duck, then right side you will write last S because 2 and here you will write here R. Okay, these are ducks. Okay, next one mango and here 3 mangoes. How many? 3 and this side 1 only. So this is a mango. ये एक क्या है? आम है. These are mangoes. So ये सारे क्या है? आम है. Okay, so this one, what is your homework? Page number 15. You will read at least 5 times. Then in your English copy, you will write, I will give this answer in your WhatsApp group. Now comes chapter use of that and those. In this chapter, we will learn USC, use OF of THAT, that, THOSC, those. Okay, that and those we will use here in this chapter. Okay, so we will learn. Okay, so please students, please take out page number 16, English book page number 16 and please look. Okay, and you also read after me. Okay, first one here, THAT, that, IS is USED, used, FOR, for, SINGULAR, singular, OBJECT, object, WHICH, which, IS is FAR, far. That is used for singular object which is far. When we will use that? Anything that is far, not near, and single only. That time what you will use? That. ओके, बिफोर कुछ भी चीज़ें अगर हमसे दूर है, ओके, और एक है, सिंगुलर है, एक है, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक दूर पे एक बड़ा सा पेड़ है, ओके, okay, this pencil I am throwing, okay, here this pencil, okay, so this one, my finger, this one, so here to distance, no, so what I will write? That is a pen. Okay, so दूर में एक चीज है कुछ भी, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? that यूज करेंगे, that. okay, And here THOSE, those, IS is USED, used, FOR for PLURAL, plural, OBJECTS, objects, WHICH, which, ARE, FAR, far. Those is used for plural objects which are far. Those, when we will use any things, okay, फार नॉट नियर मतलब दूर में, और बहुत सारे चीज़ है, ओके, नॉट सिंगल, बहुत सारे चीज़ है, तो हम लोग उसके पहले में क्या लगाएंगे और क्या यूज करेंगे, दोज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, दिस वन, वेट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस पेंसिल्स आर little far for me, okay, not this much near, not this much near, but these pens are little far, so that's why what we will call this one, those are pens, because this one little far. Understood? Okay, ये सारे क्या है, पेन्स है, ठीक है, वो सारे, ये नहीं, वो सारे, बिकॉज दैट ये क्या है, लिटिल फार है ना, थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस. ओके, सो नाउ we will see examples. Okay, so please look at the book. Okay, so this one, THAT, that, IS is an EGG, egg, that is an egg. This one finger, no, this one sewing, this one, are you looking, this one finger, so this one near, so sorry, little far, no, not near. This sentence is start here, but this egg little far, not here. Okay, so here written, that is an egg, that is an egg. Understood? Because this one little far, not पास में नहीं है ना, दूर पे है, तो that is an egg. Okay, and क्यों लगा आपको पता है, because this one vowels. Okay, next one, THOSE, those, AREREGGS, X. Okay, those are X. This one also sentence finished here only, ये sentence यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ है, but these X, okay, ये X किधर है, दूर पे है, यहाँ पे तो नहीं है ना, आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे नहीं, डिस्टेंस है लिटिल, सो यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ एग्जाम्पल गिवन हियर, दोज आर एक्स, वो सारे क्या है, अंडे है. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, दैट is a candle, CANDLE, candle. Okay, here showing that is a candle. Okay, this candle also not near, far. Okay, so that is a candle because this one far. Understood? Yes. Next example, THOSE, those, ARERCANDLES, candles. Those are candles. Now you see these candles are near. This full stop over here, but this candles little far, so we will write those are candles. In your copy what you will write, those are candles. Okay, so this one little far. Next, THAT, that is a pup. Okay, this one small dog. Okay, so this one also not near, so before here given that. Understood? Those are pups. This one, 2 puffs. How many? 2. So those are, because this one far. Okay. Now that is a boat. BOAT, boat. This one boat. Boat means now. Okay. So this boat is near or far? Not near, little far, because sentence start here, but this boat here. So that is a boat. Okay. That is a sewing. Next one, those are boats. This one 3. How many? 3. So those are boats. Okay. Far, no? Yes. Next, that is a cub. Okay. This one. So this one little near or far? दूर में है कि पास में है? दूर पे है. So that हमने यहाँ पे read किया. Okay. Next, those are cubs. This one also far. Okay. That is a mango. Now see this mango, it's here near. This one near, but this one little far. So that is a mango. ये एक, वो एक क्या है? Mango है, आम है. Okay. Those are mangoes. Now you see this mangoes not near here but little far. So those are mangoes. वो सारे क्या है? आम है. Okay. Clear? So in this chapters what we learned already? that and those. Okay, so chapter 6 and 7 here finished. Okay, now comes one more example I will give. Now look this page here, use of that and those. Okay, some more example. Okay, first here, that, this one that, that. Okay, that is an egg. Now you see this egg is near or far? Far, no? This egg not here but little far. So here we already, I have written here that. Okay, that is an egg. Now same, those are eggs. Now same, 3 eggs, 1 2 3. So same distance but not near but far. Okay, so here those, I have written those are eggs. If this eggs here, then what I will write here? These, because near anything plural, far, near, that time we will write these, but it is not near, far, no, that's why we will write those. Okay, next, that is a cup. This one cup but not near, far, so that is a cup. Okay, those are cups, same distance but 3 cups here. So anything far and plural, that times what we will write? Those. Okay, next, that is a ball. This one ball. Are you looking? Yes, one ball, no, and far. So here already I have written that. Okay, that, that, वह एक ball है. Next, those are candles. Now same distance. Okay, and 3 candles, 1 2 3. So here I have written those. Okay, next, that is a fish. Now see one fish, this fish is near or far? Far. So that is a fish, वह एक मछली है. Next, those are ducks. Those are ducks. Now 2 ducks, 2 बतख है ना, and same distance. So those are ducks. वह 2 क्या है? वह 2 बतख है. Okay, so please students, this answer I will give in your WhatsApp group, so you will write in your English copy, and if you need then more pictures, okay, some other pictures also you can draw. And please chapter 6 and chapter 7 you read again and again. Okay, thank you.